Cash flaunted on social media. A tray of gold on display during a Somali wedding in the Twin Cities.
All of a sudden there was a boom, and people were buying very expensive homes and posting about those homes.
Where was all the money coming from? A member of the Somali community in the Twin Cities believes he knew about what could be one of the largest meals program fraud in state history.
Everybody knew, but nobody had the courage to speak about it because they understood the repercussions. So I decided to speak out. People started showing off cars, money, and expensive equipment on Facebook and Snapchat.
His skepticism heightened. Shortly after schools shut down in 2020, the government loosened guidelines on meal sites to help kids. The USDA allowed school meals to be bundled in multi-day packs and consumed off-site. It also allowed restaurants to participate as meal sites or vendors. At the same time, to limit the spread of COVID, inspections of meal sites were reduced. The Minnesota Department of Education oversees school meals as well as nonprofit groups including Feeding Our Future, which is now at the center of a federal investigation. In late January, the FBI raided 14 properties linked to the nonprofit. FBI search warrants allege the nonprofit and several food sites it worked with misspent millions of federal dollars to purchase real estate, cars, and other luxury items.
And as it got worse, I saw that the food they were giving, they started not paying attention to it. It was being left in the streets and not being distributed properly.
Bank records show the business owners used federal dollars to purchase this multi-million-dollar building and this million-dollar home. The investigation revealed Feeding Our Future Executive Director Amy Bach received a large sum of money derived from federal child nutrition program funds. Bach then deposited the check into a personal account held by her and her ex-husband.
The people in there told us Amy knew everything, step by step. She just wanted it to be hush-hush.
October of 2021, Feeding Our Future claimed to have served more than 50,000 meals out of this small one-story building in South Minneapolis. The amount of federal money going through the local nonprofit skyrocketed from $3.4 million in 2019 to roughly $200 million in 2021. The Department of Education moved to immediately terminate the nonprofit and issued a pay stop. But Feeding Our Future sued MDE.
On April 21st, 2021, a judge told MDE that it did not have the authority to stop payment to Feeding Our Future and needed to continue paying Feeding Our Future claims. On April 2021 is also when MDE began working with the FBI.